the two tasks for video game creation. Hi guys, if you want to create a video game, you must know that there are two tasks to do. The first one is to create the scene with the Unity software. I mean, you have to use this Unity interface. For example, you can put the player, I mean the main character. You can put some collectibles like those purses. You can create the background. You have to even to create the ground. So this is the first task. The second task is to make in relation those game objects. For example, guys, if you want that the player interact with these collectibles, I mean this purse, you have to create a script attached to it. I created one, it is called money script. If I open it, you can see some line of code. So guys, the mood of these videos is that you feel comfortable with coding. Guys, to summarize, just remember that you've got two tasks to do. The first one is to create a scene with some object, some game object, and the second thing is that you have to code the interaction between some of those game objects. The two tasks are: first, create the scene with game objects; second, code the interaction between game objects of the scenes.